Hello everyone, so today we're going to go over e-signature service inside the Propy platform. We are starting from the transaction dashboard after a transaction has already been created in the Propy system. So we will go over to purchase agreement, and let's say we want to send out some signatures. We're going to go to the three dots over here, and we're going to assign signers. From there, it's going to pull up the next page, which will be the document. And if you've ever used Docusign, it's the same thing. So it's just drag and drop of signature tags and date signed, so on and so forth. You just drag and drop as you go everybody that's involved. And this is going to be the selling agent is who we have in here right now. If you want to change who gets the tag, it changes. You can add in everything you need, all just as you go. So once you have all your tags filled in, we do have two people signing this one. You're going to press send. And from there, it just sent the document out for signature to all the respective parties. So it's really as easy as that. So you'll see this is waiting my signature. It wants me to sign, so I'm going to open this up. Click agree, click continue, and I have a couple spots. I want to go ahead and adopt this. And as we were going, I have my email open as well. I received a Docusign envelope, and I could have clicked that as well. And that is also what the other parties will get, is they'll get an email as usual from Docusign. They just open it up and they click their tags and then click confirm afterwards. And it's really as easy as that. So Docusign is already integrated with Propy, so you do not have to have a Docusign account. It's a free service within Propy. If you do have a Docusign account already, you can link the accounts just for easier use, but really the whole thing is very easy. Hope this helps. Talk to you later.